Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going pretty good. I'm getting ready to go to the store to find me some Mucinex DM or something. My voice don't sound right to myself. Got a sore throat, stuffy head. My head is stuffy, plus my nose is running. So, how both them things happening at the same time? Anyway, I'm going to find me some medicine. I've been taking different things I had here. It just makes me sleep. But then I wake up and I'm still sick. Walter back there coughing his lungs out. I think he's coming with me. So, I'll talk to y'all later. Okay. Hi, y'all. Y'all know I went out to get my medicine, prescriptions. Now, I got the medicine that's gonna help the cold I got. But I had prescriptions up there because the pharmacy called me, told me I had 3 prescriptions ready. I get up to the window. Oh man, we're still working on it. So I said, well, I have shopping to do, so I'll come back. So they close for lunch at 2 o'clock. It's 1:52. So I went around there and their gate was down. So I guess I'll go Monday. And I didn't feel like coming out. But they keep calling. You have prescriptions up here, ma'am. Anyway, I'm glad I'm not out of anything. But I did get my medicine. I said I was going to get the Mucinex. So I bought the fake Mucinex. You know, the store brand. Much, much cheaper. I just hope it works. And I got me some cough drops. Because my throat, it hurts a lot. So, I see Walter back there putting groceries in the car. Okay. So, I'll either make hamburgers for dinner. I don't feel like cooking. I still got my chicken noodle soup. And it was good. And I did feel better for a few hours after I ate some. I need to eat some more. Maybe it's something to that. Chicken noodle soup makes you feel better if you got a bad cold. Anyway, I guess I'll go. So I will talk to y'all later. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.
Hey everybody, hope you're doing well, doing all right. A little more broke, but doing all right.
I don't claim to being broke. I don't care what's in my pocket.
Just left out of this Walmart that's supposed to be things less expensive. Shoot, they done raised their prices like crazy. Make nobody notice. Yep. But at least got that part done. Hope you all have a good Saturday, and I'll be talking to you. You all take care now. Much love. Bye-bye.
Bye, y'all. Okay, y'all. I've been to the store, and I told y'all I'd be back. So this is what I wound up getting. The store brand Mucinex. Okay? Much, much cheaper. It's the Equate Cold and Flu. Severe cold and flu. It's for nighttime, but everything puts me to sleep anyway. So this is for headache. I don't have a fever. Well, I haven't taken my temp. It's for headache, sore throat, minor aches and pains, cough, sneezing, runny nose, nasal, sinus congestion, and sinus pressure. So I got everything except a fever, I think. So I'm hoping this will do it. So I'm going to fix me something to eat before I take this, because it's going to knock me out. And I also got something for sore throat. Ricola. The Max Sore Throat Care. It's supposed to soothe the throat and relieve the cough. I've been coughing my head off. And I coughed so my head started hurting. Okay. Y'all be blessed, because I'm blessed no matter what's going on. Okay, bye. Okay, this is what I'm going to fix. the DiGiorno stuffed crust pizza is stuffed with cheese, and it has sausage, pepperoni. You know, I'm not a fan of pepperoni, but I like sausage and all the other stuff. Red and green peppers, onions, black olives. Okay. I hope it's good. And I'll be using my Cicero air fryer oven. So right now, I'm letting it preheat. I'll be back. Okay, my pizza's in my Cicero air fryer oven. On the middle rack. It's set at 400 degrees, and it was set for 24 minutes. So, and let me show you how I do the box. I got gadgets all over the place, y'all. Okay, I took the plastic cover off the pizza. So I always cut my box like this. Then when my pizza is done, I lay it on the box in here and put it on the counter and slice it. And then I can cover up whatever's left for whoever else wants some. So I'm just happen to be eating DiGiorno today. It's my first time trying this. I hope it's good. Okay, y'all, I almost let this pizza stay in too long. It's dark, but it's not burnt. So, this is the finished result, and this is how I put my pizza in this box, like that. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.